Feathers, the hallmark of birds, are remarkable structures engineered by nature. Composed of a central shaft with barbs and barbules, feathers provide the perfect balance between strength and lightness. They serve multiple purposes, enabling flight, providing insulation to keep birds warm, and offering camouflage to help them blend into their surroundings. Some feathers, like those on a peacock, are adapted for display, showcasing vibrant colors to attract mates. This intricate adaptation allows birds to thrive in diverse environments, highlighting the incredible ingenuity of evolution in designing multifunctional tools that contribute to a bird's survival and success.